Welcome, everyone. Let's talk about DataStage Routines, the secret ingredient to making life easier in data integration. Imagine trying to do everything manually, right? Routines automate the boring stuff, saving time and keeping things efficient. They also let us tweak things to fit our specific needs. And best of all, they make our job designs more structured and maintainable. Think of it as teaching DataStage to do the heavy lifting for us. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Now let's define DataStage routines. Simply put, they are reusable functions that run during job execution. They sharpen processing logic and bring flexibility into the mix. And surprise, these routines are written in BASIC. It's like giving DataStage its own little toolkit, complete with clever shortcuts to streamline the job. Imagine having a universal Control plus C, Control plus V but for complex data transformations. Here's where things get interesting. There are different types of routines. Transform functions tweak data, before/after job subroutines prep and cleanup processes. Custom universe functions work with DataStage's native environment, and ActiveX functions integrate with external applications. Think of them as different flavors of automation, each adding its own magic to our workflow. Ready to create your own routines? First, head over to the Routine Manager. Then draft your logic in BASIC. It's the language DataStage speaks fluently. Save, compile, and voila. You've got a reusable function ready to slot into your job designs. It's like creating a personal assistant that never complains, never takes breaks, and always does exactly what you tell it to. Let's start by understanding why routines matter. They help automate tasks, reduce errors, and make development smoother. Think of routines as tiny, tireless workers. You tell them what to do and they get it done every time. First, define their purpose. What problem are they solving? Then ensure inputs and outputs are clear, write efficient code, and test rigorously. Because let's be honest, debugging a broken routine is like chasing a ghost. Using routines in DataStage jobs is like having a secret weapon. They save time, ensure consistency, and keep everything running smoothly. You can reuse routines across jobs, no need to reinvent the wheel. They fit neatly into different stages, handling tasks like a pro. Exception handling ensures no surprises mid-process, and of course, performance matters. A slow routine is like a sleepy employee. You don't want that in your system. Writing routines isn't rocket science, but following best practices makes life easier. Keep your logic simple. Complexity leads to confusion. Name your variables wisely, because temp 123 is fine until 3 months later when you have no clue what it does. Always document. A well-documented routine is a favor to your future self. And finally, optimize, because no one likes a slow, inefficient routine dragging the job down. Every routine has its bad days. Bugs appear, performance slows, dependencies break, and updates wreak havoc. Debugging can feel like detective work, but careful logging helps. A performance tuning ensures your routine runs efficiently. Managing dependencies is crucial. Don't let one failing component take down the whole system. And always plan for future updates because, trust me, a routine that doesn't adapt will eventually become a liability. Now let's talk real-world applications, because theory is great but practice is better. Routines are perfect for automation, handling repetitive tasks so you don't have to. They make data processing smoother and jobs easier to maintain. Plus, standardization ensures consistency across projects. Think of routines as your reliable assistant. They work behind the scenes to make your DataStage jobs more efficient. To wrap it up, routines are the unsung heroes of data stage jobs. They simplify processes, improve efficiency, and ensure consistency. Best practices keep them clean, challenges make them stronger, and applying them well elevates projects. So next time you write a routine, remember, it's not just code, it's the key to smoother operations. And hey, if your routine ever misbehaves, just remind it who's boss. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.